Let's use the duplicate special tool to create repeating bolts around a pipe fitting. First, I want to modify the pipe a bit. So in face mode, I'm going to grab one of the selections of faces. And under Edit Mesh, I'll extrude. I'm going to just grab one of the handles and extrude out. Make sure the divisions are set at 1. And after that's done, we can go and adjust some things by going into vertex mode and scaling up. Scaled up the center. I also want to scale down the outside ring, so I'm going to double click the edge in edge mode. Scale it down till it's the right size. Notice also we have the inside ring seems to be a bit big. We'll just scale that too. So now the pipe fitting is looking pretty good. I could even go beyond this. Select the outer edge loop by double clicking it, and we can bevel it just a bit. Remember to find the right width to make your bevel look good. For this one I'll try 0.4. That's probably too much. So I'll Control Z to undo. Maybe go down to 0.3. That's pretty good bevel for this pipe fitting. Now the next thing I want to do is I'll just create a new cylinder. Call this bolt. And I'm going to make the subdivisions on the axis just 6 so it can look like a hexagon bolt. And we'll rotate it 90 degrees. Whoops, wrong axis. Almost there, okay. And we'll scale up the bolt, or scale down the bolt. Remember, use the appropriate views to make sure they're the right size. And align it correctly. So I have that bolt just aligned right on the front there. Good. And now to duplicate the bolt, what I need to do is I need to move the pivot point. Remember, just hit your insert key. And you can move that pivot point. For this, we'll really want to look right on the front. Make sure that pivot point is right in the center. Hit that insert key again. Now with the pivot point, you can go into Edit, Duplicate Special. You just have to do some math now. So the geometry type is, we're going to, instead of a copy, we're going to do an instance because we want all the others to look just like the first one. And if I change one, I want the others to change too. Now we're going to use a rotation for this. So we're going to copy by rotating it around an axis. This particular axis, by looking down in the corner to get our axes directions, it looks like the z-axis. So we're going to rotate around the z-axis. Now we just have to figure out how much. A normal circular rotation is 360 degrees. So if I was to put 12 bolts. That would be 30 degrees for each rotation. Well, I don't think I want to do quite 12 bolts. Maybe I'll do 8 bolts. Quick math for that would be about 45 degrees for the 8 bolts. So we're going to do 45 degrees. We're going to do 8 bolts. And we're going to go ahead and duplicate special, see how that looks. I like it. And you've created all of your bolts.